Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Ishita and my today's video is a makeup tutorial video or the look that I'm wearing right now. Well, this look is inspired by spring season. We all know spring is here and spring is all about vibrant colors, fresh flowers. So my look is also about that. So I've added pop of color on my eyes. So basically this look is very easy to create and also very easy to carry. So if you guys want to know how I've created this look, then please continue watching. I'm starting with the primer, and this is from Sugar Cosmetic Pore Minimizing Primer. It has a silicone formula which blends really nice. Now I'm going ahead with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation and blending it with my beauty blender for a seamless finish. I've already prepped my eyes and I'm starting straight with the eyeshadow. I'm using Morphe 35B palette. I'm using this coral shade and blending it nicely all over my eyes. I'm going ahead with this coral shimmer color and blending it with my fingers. was it. I hope you like the tutorial and the makeup look that I created, and as I said, it is very easy to create. I hope you guys will also try to create this on yourself, and if you do so, then please click a picture and don't forget to tag me. This is my Instagram handle, and you can also follow me on Instagram for more fashion and beauty related content. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.